شيء عجيب والله ساعة وشوية بدي ساعتين ولا على خلاص لكن شو بتركي تطور
Oh, sorry. No, it's okay. It's okay.
Ladies and gents, good evening. Welcome aboard. I'm taking you up north of the city in about 30 minutes. Right before us, the Church of Our Lady. She's 122 meters high. The highest watchtower in Belgium, the second highest of Europe. In the church, you can visit a statue by Michelangelo, the Madonna with Child in white marble. Over the mausoleums of Charles de Gaulle and his daughter Mary Stuart. Under the next bridge, you'll see there's not one but three bridges made in three different centuries. First part of it, with the start side, is 40. The middle part is 15th, and the last part with the bricks is 16th century. You'll clearly see the evolution in the craftsmanship. These are all private houses around us, by the canal, one of the reasons that they go through, the little Venice of the north. And these are tiny houses on the left side. They're only 50 square meters. They go around 350 to 400,000 euros, just to give you an idea of the real estate prices here in Bruges. Behind the bridge, still on the right side, there's the old hospital, the old St. John's, founded in 1188, lasted until 1976, until they moved it to the border of the city. More than 800 years, was one of the oldest hospitals of Europe. It's a museum nowadays, dedicated to the Flemish primitive artist, Hans Mendelijk. They opened with different expositions now in the sidewalls of the old hospital, and then also restaurants, bars, cafes, and everything. Behind that, please, ladies and gentlemen, the lowest bridge of the tour, if ever. Attention, la quête, s'il vous plaît, monsieur, madame, pressez le pont, monsieur, bij de expositie de wonen. Als we dat met uw hoofd, alsjeblieft, meneer, juffrouw, tussen luisteren van de rondvaart. Cuidado con la cabeza, por favor, en cuanto muy bajo. On the next bridge, that's the entrance to the Big United. It's an old monastery from the 13th century. Margarita van Constantinople, the Countess of Flanders at her time, gave the Big United to church. There's still 7 sisters, nuns of the Benedictine order, who live there inside of the Big United. There's always a code of silence in the Big United. That's the log house in front of us. That's the 3 logs. And they regulate the level of the water of the canals in the city center. The water level at the other side of the log house is 1 meter higher. So that's just the base that Bruges doesn't get flooded. We have around 100 swans in Bruges. They're all property of the city Bruges. So here that they get fed. You can see a copy of the Madonna with Child statue by Michelangelo in between the 2 windows in front of us. And the real work you find in the Our Lady Church. The building on the right side is one of the 2 breweries we have in the city center. They have known brewery. They brew the beers Bruges and Straffe Henry, the full root and strong Henry. And there's also a beer museum inside of the brewery. This is an old bridge again, people. Mind as please. Alto silenzioso, su. Cuidado con la cabeza, por favor. Of many old festivals. In front of us, the St. Saviour's Cathedral, that's the oldest tower of Bruges, was built about 6,000 years ago, around 1100. Just to give you some info about the canals of Bruges, we call them the Rijkjes in Dutch and Flemish. There's 15 kilometers of canals of Bruges. Our boat is around 5. The depth of the water is in general 2 to 3 meters, 6 to 8 feet. Fresh water, that are fitted also, seals and cars. There are 5 different boat companies in Bruges. Each one has 5 boats. The 25 tourist boats are the only ones allowed on the canals of Bruges. There are no private boats in Bruges. In a few moments, you'll see the tiniest Gothic window of Bruges, the leaves are in the way. To the right side of the building front, 2 meters above the bridge, the little window there was used as a spy window in the middle engine. It's the old palace of the Lords of Bruges on the left side. The Bruges is where the wealthiest family Bruges in the Middle Ages. Look through the little window. As everybody was paying toll at that time to enter the city. You can take it to the museum nowadays. Beautiful museum, just been renovated. And this is the most photographed in the city because they have a beautiful view and the Belfry Tower is 83 meters high. It takes up the tower 366 steps to get up. As a carry-on, it's 47 bells. The tower needs a little bit. Small windows about 3 feet to the right side. On the left side there is a beautiful building with the kitchen towers on top. That's the old Justice Tower. Nowadays our city archive is put in that building. There are 13 bridges and routes in the city centre. This one is one of the oldest ones, called the New Bridge, built in 1790. The first part of it, the upper part, has been renovated with little bricks recently, as you can see. I go right side of next door with an emblem of a pelican above it. And these are one of the many old towns we have ever, the golf houses. In the middle of it, wealthy fields for citizens gave these little houses to the poor. There was one condition to live in them. The poor had to work for the rest of their life for them. The rich thought that they would go to heaven if they offered a house to the poor. And they're still occupied today, but mostly as social houses. We're going right where the canal is connected to the city centre. It's another medieval city of Flanders, 46 kilometers to get there. So it's all connected to the weekend. Some houses in brick, like the red one on the left side. They have a little squared hole with the very top, just from the purple. They will put a carrier business at the side. Put a kitchen there. So the seller received messages at that time that they all put them beautiful. But les filles girato, con I cristalli, status quo. Wat voor de postleven in de tijd, die kleine buiten die was dit. Het dak hier in Brugge. Also have a look at the wind vane on top of that house. The over here water drive with the design of it. It's the symbol of the architecture. As you can see on the right side, sometimes the construction date they are indicated on the passengers 1675. Both of those building the bridge were built in between the 16th and the 17th century. Also beautiful, the 7 houses behind the bridge. 7 houses, 7 different styles. The middle one, the grey look, a nice example of the Flemish Gothic style. Here to the right, the direction to go to the sea. It's only 15 kilometers to the north. And now the border is called the Zeebrugge. So it's the sea itself. In the middle is this brugge what connected to the sea. And now there's any more. Bruges was one of the most important ports of northwestern Europe, together with Amsterdam. In the 15th century, was the golden age. This was the medieval port of the center of Brabant. And there's the water continues through the city over there, instead of going under it now, direction the market square. And in the summer that we see the birds as well, these foreign merchants came at that time. This created those with the local merchants. And now it's called the Strong by Trail from there too. So they're the most famous Flemish primitive bases. The little street that's right in front of us, in between the two white houses, you can find the oldest cafe of the oldest shop. Both Mexico, been there since 1615, more than 500 years. And it says the original interior is a lovely kind of outside the inside. It's the flag out for it. The little blue and white symbols you see on many buildings and houses in here, like on the White House on the right side, means that the old historical center of this is now UNESCO World Heritage since 2002, and these are the protected direction monuments. The White House is the bird house of a very well-known writer of this, Hugo Zervella. I don't know, that's the first one. It's built in 1821 in an American style. Still used in about 50 more from Wednesday until Saturday. En ik had hem al van booking staan in deze over laatste week. The replica of a house was stood in the year 1700. Also known for the movie '80 with Thomas Hanks. From the Gleason, one of the final feature movies that he jumped out of the window with this film. Well, ladies and gents, as you can see, we're at the end of this photo. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish you further very pleasant evening again. If you're satisfied about the tour and getting commentary, you can always throw something in my captain set when leaving the boat. It's always much appreciated. Thank you. Have a good one, everyone.
Thank you.